On the tune again.
Blessed day, welcome again.
You know. I'm messing with this music. It's like.
On two iPhone.
Yo. The music make them hear. They know say Rastaman I got fear. In the street out there. We know say yo the dance na the square.
Easy music.
We tell them say I right. And I'm not betting the future bright. Make fun of me like every night. Can't stop a thing. Must say like me kite. We can't find it lost. In the street, in the home, me a was. You them in the street and me a drink from the class. Them can't stop a thing and me not just no me not.
Need to change to get it up again. You understand? So if you guys out there have any problem with iPhone, like this dead, first you need to open it and check the battery. As you can see, the battery is defective. As you can see, swell. You'll smell it. When you smell it, that means that the thing in the battery open. When it open, it no need. It can bring up the phone. You understand? So you need to just change the battery. Bless it. For the iPhone XR. This now, we have a problem with the iPhone 10. Yeah, we have a problem with the iPhone 10. But the problem with this now is the battery. So we are going to show the people them how they go on. It can come on without the battery, you know. So that I go on now, it'll come on. But it can't go no further without a battery present. You understand? Battery defective. Don't know what meter ready and thing. You understand? So the battery swell. It not smell like a one, but it swell. Swelling the indication that something wrong with it also, okay? And for that one you know, just want a battery. Once you get a battery for it, so we're not going away and make them scam on. You understand? Tell them say nothing else wrong with the phone. Once you see it, it can come out without the battery. Battery actually displays off right now. So that's why you see it come on and off. It have nothing to carry in the operating system. So we need the battery. So once you get a new battery, up and running. Blessed day, you know. Love goes out to the people. Tune in for other videos.